Hi, I'm Cruz. For over 25 years, Cruz and Associates has worked to protect the injured in Georgia and Arizona with one goal in mind: to help our clients and their families rebuild their lives after an accident. We do this by providing exceptional legal representation and outstanding customer service while working hard to get our clients the compensation and benefits they need. Our team of legal professionals is made up of top attorneys and legal assistants with over 150 years of combined experience, exclusively representing personal injury and workers' compensation victims. This is what sets us apart from other firms. At Cruz & Associates, we are committed to defending the rights of our clients, delivering results, and treating each client with a commitment and respect that we will give our own family. This is how we've done business for over 25 years and how we will work for you. If you or a loved one has been injured, call us today for a free consultation.